Hi friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel Education and Research. My name is Ankur Agarwal and I would like to explain today it's the most wonderful and a beautiful schemes has been launched by government India. So this is for Samprabha. Samprabha is a free DTH channel for education which the government has launched, and in this particular website where you can learn the various educational video in the various streams which is being conducted by NPTEL courses by IITs. And it's let's go for one by one to understanding what is all about this website and how you can actually free access and make your registrations and the login and reach to each and every videos properly. So in this particular website where it has a 24 to 7 basis, it's being telecast by GSAT 15 satellite, which is in every day, and there's only 34 channels currently. And in these particular channels where you can access for the higher education's curriculum, which contains for the postgraduate and undergraduate courses, includes the various stream like science, commerce, etc. So under this particular that once you click on the search button, and here you can also search whatever the courses there's a total 2,45,000 courses has been include here, and where you can gather the information each and every courses and how you can reach to the courses. Just I like to explain one by one. सो गाइस, वेलकम बैक अगेन। मेरा नाम अंकुर अग्रवाल है और मैं यूट्यूब चैनल लेकर आया हूँ एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च। और इस पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट जो कि मैं आपके सामने दिखा रहा हूँ, इस वेबसाइट का नाम है स्वयं प्रभा। ये डी फ्री डीटीएच चैनल है जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने लॉन्च किया है। इसके अंतर्गत आप वेरियस 34 चैनल्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, और हर एक चैनल्स एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्सेज को बिलोंग करता है। और यहाँ पे आप हायर एजुकेशन कोर्सेज और स्कूल एजुकेशन कोर्सेज भी लर्न कर सकते हैं। लेट्स गो, मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताऊंगा कैसे आप इसमें रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, लॉगिन करके और कोर्सेज का बेनिफिट उठा सकते हैं। नाउ देखिए, यहाँ पे मैंने हायर एजुकेशन के चैनल पे क्लिक किया हुआ है। यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि ह्यूमैनिटीज एंड लैंग्वेज एंड लिटरेचर्स है, वेयर यू कैन see the videos properly, which is the which is available under the channels. And once you click on this channels where you can see the videos, so the Samprabha Humanity channel. Humanities 1. Swayamprabha Humanities Channel 1 DTH, the Languages and Literature channel, broadcasts high quality, visually and graphically enriched content to undergraduate and postgraduate students countrywide. The languages include English, Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, French, German, Russian, Spanish, and other major Indian and foreign languages. The content delivered through this channel enhances the learning experience of the Indian students at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. There are plans to expand the student spectrum by including the senior secondary level. The content of this channel is programmed and managed by the Educational Multimedia Research Center, hosted by the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. Now, so here you can contact to the persons who has the national coordinator and the channel coordinators. Now मैं फिर से back आता हूँ. Now here you can see for the Sanskriti, and here you can see for Prabodh. These are the various humanity channels. Here you can see for the mechanical engineering related branches. So let's go and see what kind of the mechanical engineering courses include here. Click on the program schedule. Now under this program schedule, so once the course is available, you can see here, right? So let's go for the higher educations once again. So let's go to the school education. So under this school educations, where you can see for the PM e-Vidya class 2 course, and you have to just click on the read more informations, right? And go to the program schedule here. So under this program schedules, where you can see for the various subjects like Hindi, subject for English, social science, maths, and all. And it has already been scheduled on 18th of April, 2022, Monday, right? So these are the timing are also here, where you can also download for the CSN exercise according to that particular telecast of these videos or channels. And you can just click on these DDS channels and look into these. Now you can click on the archive, where archive these channels has already been telecasted, and here you can see the content. Just click on it here. So suppose you are the teacher, you are the student, you have to select. Let's select for the teacher. Click here to the board, which board that you are looking for. CBSE, medium is English. Select the class is fifth and submit. Now once you submit, you have to select your district, which district you are staying, and you can continue this thing.
जरूरत ही नहीं है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्ढी पहन के फूल खिला है।
So whereas here you can see for the various channels and everything, which can helpful for your educations, which is digitally available to all the classes along with for the higher educations. Click on the particular uh, archive videos, and under this archive videos, you have to select the channels, which channels that you are expecting to look into this. यहाँ पे आप चैनल भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कौन सा चैनल्स आप देखना चाहते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पर कंप्यूटर आईटी के लिए क्लिक किया. तो यहाँ जैसे ही मैं कंप्यूटर आईटी के लिए क्लिक करूँगा, तो सारे कोर्सेज जो भी जिस लेक्चर्स जो भी रिकॉर्डेड हुए हैं उस चैनल्स के यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे, वेयर आई कैन सी एंड लुक इनटू दीज वीडियोस प्रॉपर्ली, लाइक वायरलेस एडॉक एंड सेंसर नेटवर्क, वायरलेस एडॉक एंड सेंसर नेटवर्क, which is UAV part 1, UAV network part 2, opportunities to mobile network part 2, opportunities stick mobile network part 3, evolutionary model, agile model, and everything. Let's go to the agile model for your understanding.
Extensively used for object-oriented software development. It's an incremental model in the sense that much of the requirement is identified upfront.
So guys, I hope ये वीडियो आपको
Again, it
अच्छा
has
लगा होगा,
features of
and
evolutionary
please look into
because
these particular website and great
the
initiative by
features
government of
continue to be
India,
discovered
where
as
you
the
can learn many things. Now click on the registrations. Here you have to enter your number, select your registrations. Like I'm just entering my mail ID, contact number, and password. Whatever the password you want to choose, you can enter your password, but please select your courses for higher secondary, multidisciplinary, undergraduate, PG, and all. I hope that you can select for all the code here. Just enter your captcha, sign up. Once you click on the sign up, you will get a password on your mail ID. Just or you have already been entered your password, so you can just log in. So as an admin, as another, whatever you want, just select on it. Click here, you will be able to log in on this website, and where you can start your learning journey very well. So, guys, please connect me and like my YouTube channel, and please share to the person those who have no information, knowledge about that. What are the videos or lectures? These are the channels are wonderful channels, guys, and this is very fruitful for you, those who are preparing for the examinations, or those who are in the college students. So please look into these and like my videos, and let me know if I can help you anything more. Guys, thank you so much. See you again. I will reach you in my next video. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much.